In this lecture, we will start by installing the Minikube. So the installation command is, this is the command. We'll have to copy and paste it on the Ubuntu, this Linux distribution PowerShell. And these two commands have to go side by side. Sudo install Minikube, Linux AMD 64 /user/local/bin/Minikube. So after that, we will install the kubectl. But first of all, let's install the Minikube. So I pasted this on this Linux command window, and this command will, let's see what it does. It loads the latest Minikube binary. Okay, now we'll install the Minikube by this command that is on my paste on my clipboard. So sudo install. So it has already installed it. Okay. Now how do we verify the installation? First of all, we'll start the Minikube with the Docker driver. So that is this is the command Minikube start ---- driver equals Docker. So remember, I have Docker desktop running in the background. So this looks like this. So this is my Docker desktop which is running in the background. Just I have minimized this. So Minikube start -- driver equals Docker. So drive unsupported drive is not supported. Okay, so driver equals Docker. Now, so there is something wrong in this command. So the problem in the last command was that there was no space required between the driver equal to Docker. So driver equals Docker. This driver flag takes Docker, but without any space between the driver and Docker. Okay, so it is starting the Minikube. All right, so now we can verify the installation with Minikube status command. Minikube type control plane, host running, kubelet running, everything is running, API server running, and kube config is configured. Let's see, that is great. And there's another one, kubectl cluster info. Although the kubectl is not installed, but let's see what happens if we give this command kubectl Kubernetes control plane is running at this URL. CodeDNS is running. To further debug and diagnose cluster problem, use kubectl cluster info dump. So it's all there. So kubectl was actually installed from my previous experiment. I haven't removed this, but I will show you in the next lecture how you probably remove the kubectl and then reinstall it. Okay.